Hello, hello everyone. Welcome to our YouTube channel. We Love Computers. In today's video, we are going to continue the relational operators. The third operator that which we are going to study is greater than. This is the third type of relational operator, greater than. It returns true if left operand is greater than right operand. That what I mean to say is that if the value of left operand can be variable or it can be constant. If that is if it is greater than the right operand, then it returns true, otherwise it returns false. Now let us take one very simple program. Let me start Python. We'll study it practically. Let us start Python. Click on file, then click on new file. Let us declare two variables. A is equal to 15, B is equal to 8. If A greater than B, print A is comma close, else print is not greater than B. Let us save this program. On file, save as. Greater than .py. Make sure to add the extension .py. Now let us run this program with F5 function key. So A is greater than B. Why A is greater than B? Because the value of variable A is 15 and the value of variable B is 8. So obviously 15 is more than 5. So the result is A is greater than B. If I change the value of A to, let us say, 7, save it, and then again I run it with F5 function key. This time the message is A is not greater than B. Is not greater than B. So you can see this is how we use relational operator greater than. I hope if you like my video, please subscribe my channel and hit the like button and share it with other users also. Thanks for watching my video.